This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by planning a vertical composition sized for Instagram Reels. Use 9:16 aspect ratio and 1080x 1920 pixels for crisp playback. Decide the total reel duration, up to 90 seconds maximum. Break your content into readable sections that each display for a set time. Choose per section timing like 6 to 8 seconds per segment for clarity. Write legible text at large sizes and contrast colors for visibility. Collect screenshots, long images, or layered slides before moving to your editor. Open a mobile editor like CapCut, InShot, or Premiere Rush for animation. Import a tall image or stack slides sized to 1080x 1920 pixels. Add keyframes at the start and end to pan vertically from top to bottom. Set linear easing and match keyframes to your chosen per section timing. Preview the scroll and adjust speed until text remains readable for 6 to 8 seconds. Export the final video at 1080x 1920. Open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new reel post. Select your exported 9:16 video and pick a clear cover image or frame. Add captions that summarize the scroll content and include relevant hashtags. Tag accounts and choose audio that matches your pacing while enabling original sound. Double-check the reel length, preview playback, and ensure text remains on screen long enough. Post the reel, monitor engagement, and adjust future scroll speeds based on viewer retention metrics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.